Are you tired of your money just sitting there, doing nothing? Earning pennies in a savings account while inflation eats away at its value? You've probably heard the buzz about online banks and their great rates. And one name that comes up again and again is Ally. But is Ally Bank really a good online bank with great rates? The answer isn't a simple yes or no, so we're diving into the community feedback to give you the real story. First, let's talk about those rates. Ally's high-yield savings account is a big reason people flock to them. Their APY, or annual percentage yield, is consistently among the highest in the market, often well above the national average. They also offer competitive rates on their CDs and money market accounts. For most savers, this is a massive win. You can watch your money grow much faster than it would at a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. But what about the community? That's where we get the full picture. On platforms like Reddit and other financial forums, people generally praise Ally for its user-friendly app and lack of fees. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and they've even eliminated overdraft fees. This fee-free structure is a huge positive for people who've been nickel-and-dimed by other banks. Another big plus is their customer service. Many users report positive experiences with Ally's 24/7 phone support and chat features. While it's not the same as walking into a branch, the round-the-clock availability is a major convenience. However, it's not all perfect. Some of the most common complaints involve technical issues, things like the app glitching or having trouble with Zelle transfers. A few users have also reported frustrations with their fraud detection and account freezing processes. While these are often necessary for security, the execution can sometimes be inconvenient for the customer. In the end, the consensus is that Ally is a great choice for most people, especially if your priority is earning a high APY on your savings and avoiding fees. It's a solid, all-around online bank that lives up to its reputation for high rates and a good user experience. But like any bank, it's not without its flaws. You have to be comfortable with a fully digital banking experience and the occasional tech hiccup that comes with it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.